Welcome to this presentation on fair and explainable depression detection in social media. This research was conducted by G.R. Gangadharan et al. And published on 17th November 2022. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Depression is a significant global health challenge that can lead to suicidal thoughts and behaviors if left unaddressed. Early detection is vital for diagnosis and intervention. While social media has been used to identify depressed individuals, existing research often suffers from bias due to unequal data distribution across demographics. The methodology involved collecting data from Reddit subreddits related to mental health. Data preprocessing included tokenization, stop word removal, and stemming. Noise was reduced using a neural machine translator (NMT) with a dynamic data selection curriculum. Bias normalization was achieved through the one shot decision approach to address unequal participation across demographic groups. Semantic network analysis using TF-IDF was performed to identify key terms and their relationships. The proposed ensemble model achieved a classification accuracy of 98.05. Noise reduction using NMT improved prediction accuracy by approximately 5. After fixing class imbalance and applying bias normalization, the ensemble model showed significant improvements across all evaluation metrics: accuracy, precision, recall, F1, SCORE, AUC compared to baseline methods. The study successfully demonstrated a method for fair and explainable depression and suicidal ideation detection from social media data. The one shot decision approach effectively normalized participation imbalance, ensuring that the model is not biased against underrepresented demographic groups. The ensemble model combining SVM and KNN along with noisy label correction and LIME for explainability provided a robust and interpretable solution. This paper presents a novel approach for fair and explainable depression and suicidal ideation detection from social media. The proposed ensemble model, incorporating bias normalization, noisy label correction, and intrinsic explainability, achieved high accuracy and ensured fairness in classification. Early identification of mental health risks is crucial, and this research offers a reliable classifier that compensates for data gathering biases.